All right, so if you're doing market research manually, opening tons of tabs, checking competitors, reading reports, yeah, that takes forever. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI to do all of that faster and smarter. First, quick idea. Grok can pull real-time data, analyze trends, and summarize everything into one clear answer. Start with your goal. Don't just say, analyze this market. Be specific about what you want to learn. Prompt, analyze the current market for online fitness coaching, including trends, audience demand, and growth potential. Next, break your research into sections. This makes the results more organized and useful. Ask for things like market overview, target audience, competitors, and opportunities. Now, go deeper. Analyze competitors. Prompt, compare top competitors in this market, including strengths, weaknesses, and positioning. Use Grok to find trends. This is where real-time data becomes powerful. Prompt, identify current trends and emerging opportunities in this industry. Now understand your audience. Prompt, describe the target audience, their problems, needs, and buying behavior. Don't stop at research, turn it into action. Prompt, based on this research, create a business strategy or action plan. Here's the pro move. Refine everything. Ask Grok to expand, simplify, or focus on specific parts. So yeah, once you use Grok like this, market research becomes faster, clearer, and way more actionable. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI business guides coming soon. All right, so